Hello everyone and welcome back. It's good to be doing the next video after a long break. Have any one of you all experienced pain in the lower jaw, lot of swelling, difficulty in opening your jaws? Then I'm sure you all know I'm talking about wisdom teeth pain. What is a wisdom tooth? A wisdom tooth is the last tooth in the jaw and the last tooth to erupt in the mouth. Now, when does a wisdom tooth erupt? It erupts roughly between the age of 17 to 25 years. Now, why does a wisdom tooth give so much of trouble? So, as you must have seen in my previous videos, our jaw sizes are becoming smaller and smaller with evolution. Now, this causes a lack of space to accommodate 32 teeth. Hence, this last tooth to erupt finds a lack and a cramp of space to come out completely into the jaw. Now, this is why the wisdom tooth in most individuals remains impacted. That means it remains locked in the bone. So now you may ask, how does it matter whether it comes out in the jaw or whether it remains locked? But no, it causes a series of problems. In some individuals, it causes irritation of the gum in the process of trying to push its way out. So that's why there is a constant swelling that keeps reoccurring in that region in the mouth. Now, because of this swelling, gums in this area become swollen and are constantly interfering in the closure of the upper and the lower teeth. So the moment you close your teeth, this area of the swollen gums gets hit by the upper tooth, causing ulceration and a lot of constant pain. This area of the swollen and the irritated gums is known as pericoronitis. This inflamed gum further becomes a food trap. This food which is stuck there starts infecting and cavitating the previous tooth. This cavity slowly progresses, infecting the nerve of the previous tooth. So this is how a sequelae of problems begin, and it keeps growing and it keeps becoming worse. It starts spreading the infection all around the tooth. Now this is what causes mobility of the adjacent teeth. In some situations, the tooth itself gets encapsulated in a cyst. This infection around the wisdom tooth can spread across in the cheek area, in the throat area, causing difficulty in swallowing and difficulty in opening the mouth, etc. So friends, this summarized for you the problems associated with the wisdom tooth. I hope you all have got a clear idea of how one single wisdom tooth can infect the tissues as well as the teeth around it. Stay tuned to take a look at how we can treat this wisdom tooth. To take a look at the previous videos, check any of these links. So stay tuned as we demystify more myths in dentistry.